Starting the 30-day Nemechek challenge. What to expect? Thank you for joining me on this exciting adventure. In this video, I'm diving into the 30-day Nemechek protocol challenge. I'll walk you through what the Nemechek protocol is, why I'm exploring it, which supplements I'll be using, and how I plan to track my progress. Stick around, and let's uncover what this gut-brain approach is all about. If you're looking for a simple, structured way to improve overall health and wellness, this might just be for you. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss updates on this 30-day journey. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Nemechek protocol? Developed by Dr. Patrick Nemechek, this protocol aims to restore health by addressing imbalances in the gut and reducing inflammation in the brain. The foundation of the Nemechek protocol is simple but science-backed. Focus less on medications and more on supporting the body so it can naturally heal itself. The protocol primarily uses a combination of diet and supplementation to repair the gut microbiome. It's built on groundbreaking research showing how tightly connected our gut and brain are. Many issues like poor focus, behavioral challenges, and even emotional well-being are thought to stem from inflammation in this gut-brain connection. The Nemechek protocol aims to calm that inflammation and restore balance. It's not a complicated plan, but it takes commitment and consistency. This is why I've decided to explore it for 30 days with an open mind. Think of this video as step 1 in my journey. I want to share what I learn along the way and maybe even inspire some of you to try it too. You might be wondering, why am I trying this? Honestly, I've always been fascinated by the connection between our body and mind. Recently, I've been searching for ways to boost my mood, improve focus, and work on both mental and physical energy. That's when I came across the Nemechek protocol. The testimonies I've seen are fascinating. People have shared stories of improved speech, better cognitive functioning, fewer behavioral challenges, and healthier digestion. These results sounded promising, and as someone who's always ready to explore new avenues for health, I thought, why not give it a try? Now let's be real. I'm not expecting miracles here. Results will definitely vary and take time. But what makes this so appealing is its simplicity. It focuses on 3 core supplements to help repair gut health and reduce brain inflammation, and that's something I think anyone can add to their daily routine. So my goal in this trial is to assess how I feel after consistently following the plan for 30 days. I'll be tracking changes in areas like my focus, speech, behavior, and overall gut health. By the end of this challenge, I'll share honest feedback, what worked, what felt different, and what didn't. Let's now talk about the star ingredients of the protocol. The Nemechek protocol focuses on 3 main components: inulin, fish oil, and olive oil. Here's a breakdown of each. Inulin. This is a prebiotic fiber, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. By helping to support a balanced microbiome, inulin plays a key role in restoring gut health. It's tasteless and easy to mix into water or your favorite drink, so adding it into my daily routine should be simple. Fish oil. Fish oil is an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. These omega-3s help reduce inflammation not just in the gut but also in the brain, potentially improving focus and mood over time. I'll be using a high-quality fish oil supplement to ensure maximum absorption. Olive oil. Good olive oil isn't just for cooking. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. According to the protocol, consuming high-quality, extra virgin olive oil daily is a powerful way to combat the inflammation that can result from poor gut-brain health. These 3 elements are the foundation of the protocol. They work together as a simple, natural way to support healing from the inside out. No overcomplication, no long list of pills to take. I'll keep track of dosages and consistency every day to evaluate how they help over time. Before starting any health journey, it's important to set a baseline. This gives you a way to measure progress and understand what's changing throughout the process. For the 30-day Nemechek challenge, I'll be carefully observing 4 key areas of my health. Speech and communication. Are my thoughts clearer? Do I feel more articulate? Can I express myself easier without losing my train of thought? I'll pay attention to any improvements in this area. Focus and cognitive abilities. I'll track mental clarity, memory, and how well I can focus on tasks, especially during long work sessions. Are my energy levels improving, or does my brain feel foggy? Behavior and emotional patterns. Am I feeling calmer, less reactive, or more even-tempered? These elements can often reflect brain health but are easy to overlook in day-to-day life. Gut health. Gut health is a huge focus of this protocol. I'll be keeping track of things like digestive regularity, bloating, and even how I feel after meals. I've already taken some time to write down my current observations in each of these areas. At the end of the challenge, I'll compare those notes to see if any tangible improvements have occurred. From everything I've read, people who try the Nemechek protocol usually see gradual changes over time rather than instant overnight results. The adjustments may start subtle, perhaps better sleep, fewer digestive issues, or more mental clarity, but small, steady wins add up. Here's what I'm expecting, or at least hoping for, over the next 30 days. A noticeable improvement in focus and energy throughout the day. Feeling more balanced emotionally, with less tension or agitation during stressful moments. Gut health that feels more stable, no irregular digestive issues or bloating. Better ability to express ideas and communicate clearly. That said, I'm also prepared for challenges. It might take a while to find the right rhythm for consistency, and since any lifestyle change has an adjustment period, I'll give myself grace as I figure this out. I'll also keep track of any unexpected experiences, like minor side effects from the supplements, because these things matter too. One part of this challenge that excites me the most? Doing it with you all. If this protocol is something you'd like to try, I'd absolutely love for you to join me in this experiment. Whether it's a full 30-day challenge or just incorporating 1 or 2 elements, I invite you to be part of this journey. Use the comments section to share your own experiences, questions, or tips as we move through the challenge together. Have you already tried the protocol before? Are you curious about starting? Let me know, and let's create an open and supportive space for discussion. I plan to check in regularly and learn as much as I can from your insights. The idea is to share what's working, what's challenging, and how we can encourage one another to stay consistent. After all, our experiences may be different, but we're all here to explore healthier ways of living. For those interested in starting the Nemechek protocol alongside me, here are a few practical tips to help you stay on track. Sourcing quality supplements. Make sure you're buying high-quality products. Look for pure omega-3 fish oils, extra virgin olive oil certified for authenticity, and a prebiotic inulin that's free of additives. Start small. Especially with inulin, start with small amounts to avoid digestive discomfort and gradually increase your dosage over the first week. Consistency is key. Take your daily supplements at the same time each day to build an easy habit into your routine. Track progress. Write down your observations weekly to see what's shifting. Sometimes changes are subtle, and journaling can help you notice the big picture over time. Be patient. Results may take time. Remember, this is about healing from the inside out, not chasing instant fixes. As I wrap up this first video, I hope you're as curious as I am to see where this 30-day challenge takes me. Will these supplements make a genuine difference? Can repairing the gut-brain connection lead to noticeable changes in my daily life? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can follow my weekly progress videos and the final results after the challenge. And of course, if you're joining or have tried the Nemechek protocol, leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories, questions, and insights. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to embarking on a month-long journey of health, exploration, and discovery. Let's find out together, what does the Nemechek protocol really have to offer? See you soon!